It's Wednesday, 15th of June. We're just departing Loch Crieran. Diggy's coming up fine. We'll shortly be just sailing on the jib. We'll switch the motor off once we clear the loch. It's a dour day. Hopefully it'll clear up a bit. We're heading down towards Puldoran. That's Diggy coming up behind. Thursday, 16th of June. We're on our way out to Oronsay. It's quite windy. Jimmy's steering there outside. Just the jib. That's the Garvalachs there. Hopefully we might get a little bit of shelter once we get along another couple of miles. Doing 5.5 knots over the ground. We've only got a couple of miles or so to go now, and we'll be at Oronsay, which is next to Oronsay. But Friday the 17th, I think. And we're crossing over from Oronsay, or more really Oronsay, which is dead back there where the beaches are. It's quite a nice morning, and we're just past halfway across to Jura, where we're going to go up west Loch Tarbert and spend the night there, and the afternoon. It's quite a nice day here now. The wind has still got a tad bite, and the wind is not very strong, so much so we're motoring. Looking down the other way is the Sound of Islay. We'll be going down there tomorrow, round to Craighouse. Jimmy's steering the boat at the moment. The 18th of June. We're just departing West Loch Tarbert, Jura. Head down the Sound of Islay, around the other side of that hill there to Craighouse. We're in the Sound of Islay now. Douglas just ahead with a roamer. Motoring, there's not much wind. We've got the tide, we've got 3 knots of tide with us at the moment. Sunday 19th of June. It's a wee bit miserable today, with mist. And we're just departing Craighouse, Jura. We're going to head across the Sound of Jura over to Loch Sween, up to the Fairey Isles. Well, that's us. Had a great sail coming up Loch Sween. We've arrived at the Fairey Isles. It's quite miserable as it's a rainy kind of cloudy day. Douglas at anchor just behind. Going to get quite stormy with wind, so this should be okay in here, we hope. 20th of June, we're just about to leave Loch Sween, then head up the Sound of Jura, past Easdale and round to Puldoran, about 30 odd miles. Just come out of the Sound of Ling, and we're heading towards Easdale Point and then round the corner to Puldoran. Had a nice sail. Tuesday the 21st, we've departed Puldoran. Is about to go into the Sound of Kerrera, past Oban, and then on to Loch Crieran and home base. We're sailing just on a jib and Douglas is coming up behind.